Yes, good morning students. Again, come back to the next session. Welcome all of you. Yeah, here we are discussing about division rules. Yes, already we did some type sums, but again here some rules are there for each and every sum. Division rules. They are very important for any kind of division or products. Compulsory we require these methods. You must be followed for further class also. Okay, so that is first division rule or of 2. Division rules for 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and again here they given as 9, 10, until this 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 9, 10. If you are dividing these numbers, how will you check? Again, some rules are there for remaining all other in higher class. In next class, you will get in 6th class, 7th class. So here 2. Yes. So that is first division rule of 2. What is the division rule of 2? The number should be even. The number should be even. So once again, if you want to write down, better the number is to be even. That is the directly only one principle. Or else we can give as that the number should be divided by 2. Remainder is 0. Instead of this, directly answer the number should be even number. Yeah, example. That is 28. Is it even number? Yes. The same number 29. Is it there? No. Like this, no need to check. Check for the ones digit as even or odd. Okay? Yes. We will go for 3. Sum of the digit are multiples of 3. Means any given number, yes, that is there. For example, I am taking as a one number to understand as 123. 123. Yes, it is the one bigger number. So 1 plus 2 plus 3. Add all the digits, all the numbers. So that is 6. Is 6 is divisible by 3? Yes, directly we can check. 3 2s are 6. So then again, yes, it is divisible. Yes, it is. Okay. Otherwise, no. Okay. So shall we go for next example? That is I am taking as 193. 1 plus 9 plus 3. 10 plus 3, 13. 13. Is it in 3 multiples? Means, is it in 3 table? Multiples means, again we call tables only. There is no problem. So 3 4s are 12. No, it is not there. So, no, it is not. No, it is not. Understood now? So like this, 2 table are divisible of 3, 2, divisible of 3. Now going for, again same, that is divisible of 4. Divisibility rule or divisible by 4 or not. So 4. 4 means what? Yeah, whenever like this, yes, we can take last 2 digits or tens and ones value. In a number, tens 1. In a number, tens and ones is multiple of 4. That means what? Or to understand here, compulsory you must be required as it might be have fourth table. How many digits? 2 digits. Tens, ones. That is example I am taking as to understand. Example, yes, 324. In this one, tens value, ones value. Tens place, ones place. That is 24. Is divided by 4. 4 6 are 24. Yes, exactly. So that means what? We can make as yes it is. Otherwise, no. For example, another one, yes, I am taking as another example to understand easily. That is 727. Last 2 digits. Last 2 digits. 27. 27 divided by 4? No. No, it is not. Like this. Okay? And again, we will go further about 5. Divisible by 5. Yes, here that is last digit or ones digit. Ones digit. Ones digit should be 0 or 5. 0 or 5. Means either 1 0, 2 0, 3 zeros, whatever there, or 5. Compulsory. Then it is divisible. Example 125 by using last digit 5. Yes, it is. For example, like this, yes, to understand 100 by using this 0 is there. Yes, it is about 5. Okay, now we have to go for another one. 6. 6. What is a 6? 6 is a composite number or prime number? Composite. So what are the factors of 6? 2 and 3. 2 and 3 means what? 2 3s are 6. 2 and 3. 2 means again we call, yes, even number. So it's by using the same method, the number should be even. The number should be even, and not only this one. Why? Because even number is correct, number should be even, and multiple of 3. Yes, you can take out any other number, then you will get that one. Example, for example, I am showing you a bigger number to understand. 2465. Is it divisible by 6? Yes, keep in mind, compulsory. The number should be even. No need to divide anything. Just we have to check. It is there. It is odd number. So no, it is not. Then again, another example, I am taking 2466. Yeah. So now we have to check sum of the digits. 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 6. It should be, yes, 2 plus 4, 18. And again here, 1 plus 8 also, 9. 9 is divisible by 3? Yes. Yes, it is. Like this, until last number, we can make as 2-digit numbers, adding sum of all the digits. Then you will go. So now again, here the other one is there, 9. Divisible by 9. 9 means what? It must be how, again, the sum of the digit is multiple of 9. Yeah, same type, little change in the 3. 3 is multiples of 3, sum of 9 means multiple of 9. Then only it is possible. So here, for example, I am showing you example 97. That is 9 plus 7. 16 divided by 9? No. Otherwise, another example that is taking as 108. So 1 plus 0 plus 8. So 1 plus 0, 1. 1 plus 8, 9. 9 divided by 9? Yes. So like this, 9 table also we can check. And the last one is given as 10th one. Divisibility rule of 10. 10 means what? The number should be, or the number of tens and ones have zeros. Means compulsory, that is that one to understand, 2 zeros, pair of zeros are there, that's called as 2 zeros. 2 zeros is there, then you will get. For example, I am telling you to understand 300. 300 means what? Yes, it is. Otherwise, another example, thus I am taking as 10, 10, 10, 10 means 1010. Here if you see, 2 zeros are there but alternate. No, continuous. 10's value and 1's value. Is it divisible by 10? No, it is not. So like this, practice, then you will get the divisibility rules. So from these divisibility rules, we can go for next topic, that is there as drilling. In this drilling chapter, you will get first 10 multiples of 5. Do you have idea about this one? Yes, 5 table. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are, 5 fours are, 5 fives are, 5 six are. Like this you can make. Yes, the first common multiple of 8, 14, 28. What are the common multiples are there? Common multiples of 8, 14, 28. So very easily you can check it. Check the common multiples. Common multiples of 8, 14, 28. So in this 8 common means what? Here 1 into 2 into 2 into 2. Then 14. 2 into 7, 28, 2 into 7. So if you see, what are the common multiples? Only 2. Common multiple. Okay, 2. Like this you can check it. Then again, same type, it is also called as HCF. So, yes, we can make it as HCF of 8, 14, 28 is, yes, 2. Okay, so like this drilling. Then again, similarly, Yeah, here co-primes. Do you have idea about co-primes? Yes, that is common factor. Should not be other number. It must be have 1. A number have common factor of 1, and again they may not be have both two even numbers. For example, I am showing you, that's called as co-primes. Co-prime. Co-primes of 7 and 28. Yeah, here 7. 7 is 1 into 7. 28. 28 means what? 1 into 7 into 4. So like this, 1 is common, but other number also there. Okay? Yeah, the number have only 1 as a factor is called co-prime. So it is not 7 and 28 is not a co-prime. Okay, so shall we go next one to understand easily? Yes, instead of this 23 and 25. 23 and 25. So 23, what is that one? 1 into 23. Why? Because 23 is a prime number. Why? Only one factor. And 25. 25 is 1 into 5 into 5. So what is the common number? 1. So yes, they are co-primes. Okay, understand now? So like this, we should check for one factor. Okay, then again, here one more type, that is check the number which is divisible by 3 but not 9. Check the number which is divisible by 3 but not 9. So that is here the number is 1157, 1157, 413. Like one big number I am taking to understand. So there is no problem. Whatever the number is there. So here 11,57,413. So what is the principle? Either 3 or 9. First sum. Sum of the digits. Sum of the digits. That is 1 plus 1 plus 5 plus 7 plus 4 plus 1 plus 3. Sum. Total how many digits are there? That is 4 plus 3, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Compulsory. Without changing, you can write. Then again, you will get as 7, 7, 14, 14, 5, 19 plus 3, 22. Then again 2 plus 2, 4. Once again 1 plus 1, 2, 5, 7 plus 7, 14 plus 4, 18 plus 1, 19 plus 3, 22. 22, is it divisible by 3? No. A number which is not divisible by 3, it's also divisible by 9? No. So in the both the case, it is not there. Okay, so like this you can check. So do the practice, and again you will drill all these things, then only it is possible. Why? Because practice makes man perfect. So practice, practice, practice. Very, very important. If you are doing the practice, then only it is good for you. And again, any doubts are there, you can call. So we will go in that one next session for next topic. Thank you.